In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain and SSL to your Shopify store in just under 3 minutes. Let's dive into it and make sure everything is set up smoothly so your online store can be up and running without any hiccups. To begin, you'll need to open your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you will find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've opened the Settings page, take a look at the list on the left-hand side and find the Domains section. Click on it to explore your domain options. If you already have a domain from a third-party provider, you're going to want to select Connect Existing Domain. This option will allow you to seamlessly integrate the domain you've previously purchased. On the other hand, if you haven't bought a domain yet and you're interested in simplifying the process, you can certainly purchase a new one directly within Shopify by selecting Buy New Domain. But for today's demonstration, we'll focus on connecting an existing one. After selecting Connect Existing Domain, you'll be prompted to enter the URL of the domain you've purchased. Carefully type in the full address of your domain, then hit Next. You'll be guided through Shopify's domain connection process. Shopify provides a straightforward guide to help connect your domain, but let me break it down a bit further for you. Initially, you'll need to establish a connection with your domain provider. Shopify can automatically connect to certain providers, making this step quite hassle-free. However, if your provider is not automatically supported, you may need to manually manage and edit DNS records yourself. This sounds complex, but don't worry. Shopify provides step-by-step instructions to walk you through these adjustments, ensuring that you can configure these settings correctly. Once you've managed to configure everything, Shopify will handle the SSL certification for your domain. This ensures that your site is secure, displaying that reassuring padlock icon in browsers, and safeguarding both your data and that of your customers. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your custom domain and SSL to your Shopify store. It's a straightforward process once you go through it, and knowing how to manage and edit those settings gives you an additional layer of control over your store's online presence. Thank you for following along, and I hope this walkthrough has made it easier for you to navigate connecting your custom domain in Shopify. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out through the comments below, and I'll be happy to assist. Until next time, happy selling!